In today's video, I am going to teach you how to improve Notion aesthetic. The goal is to make your pages look clean, consistent, and easy to read without over-designing them. A strong Notion aesthetic usually comes from repeating the same visual choices across your workspace, like consistent spacing, simple separators, and a clear text hierarchy. Start in Notion by creating a new page. Give yourself a blank canvas so the layout feels intentional from the beginning. Once your new page is open, click into the main content area where you can type. You will see the text cursor appear, and this is where you will begin building structure. Now click into the highlighted text area and type your first line of content. Keep it short and clear, since this line will help set the tone for the page. After that, click into the highlighted area again and continue typing, adding another line so your top section does not feel empty. A simple tip here is to keep your wording consistent, because matching tone and formatting helps the page feel more cohesive. Next, add a divider. This is one of the easiest ways to improve the visual organization of a page, because it separates sections without adding clutter. After placing the divider, click back into the highlighted area below it and type your next piece of text. This creates a clear second section and makes the page easier to scan. Click into the highlighted area again and type one more line. Try to keep this part aligned with the content above so the spacing feels balanced. Once your basic sections are in place, insert a quote block. Quote blocks are great for visual emphasis, like a key message, a short note, or a guiding principle for the page. They add style while still keeping a minimalist look. After the quote appears, click Change to adjust what you are working with. This is where you start refining the visual direction, so the page feels more designed and less like plain notes. To finish, head to Canva templates and type in the highlighted search area. This is useful for finding clean design assets you can adapt for Notion, like cover images sized for wide headers, or simple visuals that match your theme. Keep your choices consistent so your icons and covers feel like they belong together. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.